Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The N in 11 is lowercase because the company president's wife thought all the caps was too harsh, and with the lowercase letter, the logo looked more graceful. Procrastination is not a result of laziness or poor time management. Scientific studies suggest procrastination is due to poor mood management. Time always reveals what you truly mean to someone. In 18th century France, people were buried with air pipes due to rampant fear of being buried alive. In 1982, British pensioners were paid as little as $10 to hand-knit Ralph Lauren sweaters later sold in the US for nearly $400. 44% of adults have held on to their childhood teddies and dolls, and as many as 34% of adults still sleep with a soft toy every night. Stanley Cups became so popular because a woman's car caught fire one day, and the next day she made a video showing how the ice in her Stanley Cup survived the fire. Then the company decided to buy her a brand new car. Medieval archers were so strong they could fire an arrow the distance of 3 football fields. Archaeologists can distinguish an archer in a group of medieval corpses because their bow arm is abnormally large. Children who sucked on their thumbs or bit their nails were 33% less likely to react to common allergens. By age 32, it is even higher at 39%. Scientists say that the reason is these kids built immunity to various bacteria at young age. In 1998, Bear Grylls became the youngest Brit to summit Everest at 23, just 18 months after breaking his back in a parachuting accident. In Singapore, some elevators are equipped with urine detection devices that detect the scent of urine, setting off an alarm and closing the doors until the police arrive to arrest the offender. Research shows that mirrors in public places like retail stores will improve customer behavior by increasing self-awareness. You won't act like a jerk if you had to watch yourself doing so. In 2024, an artwork at the Lamb Museum in the Netherlands was mistaken for trash and thrown out until a curator found it in a garbage bag. Ducks can keep their eyes open underwater due to a transparent third sideways eyelid called a nictitating membrane or haw. When glasses for nearsightedness began to appear in the 15th century, they were seen as having magical powers. People who wore glasses were thought to be in league with the devil. This is what your femur actually looks like inside. There is a fancy restaurant in California where you can eat for free if you're taller than the chef. Madagascar has half of the planet's 150 plus species of chameleon. Samsung was originally a grocery trading store that sold noodles, dried fish, and other local products until 1970s. We invented cell phones, flat screen TVs, the World Wide Web, and green ketchup before we started making regular ketchup in upside down bottles. As of 2021, only 28 slam dunks have been scored in the WNBA. Of those, Brittany Griner has had 23 dunks, 17 in the regular season, 5 in All-Star games, and 1 in the playoffs. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple habit helps reduce screen-related eye strain and fatigue. Farmed salmon is actually naturally white in color It's reddish pink only because farmers add in pigmenting compound to the fish's food that changes the color of their flesh, which is more appealing to consumers. Humans spend less time sleeping than any other primate because we sleep on the ground and are well defended from predators. We also get deeper, higher quality sleep, so we don't need to sleep as long. As you are probably aware, Little Red Riding Hood is a fairy tale about a young girl and the big bad wolf. What you probably did not know is that the story's origins can be traced back to the 10th century, where early versions of the fairy tale are much darker than the one you know. Looking at their watch often indicates that the person is probably feeling bored. A man stole $100 million in diamonds by passing a 100 million combination lock, infrared sensors, seismic sensor, and private security force, but was convicted by DNA he'd left on a partially eaten sandwich near the scene. Before 2017, the fastest speed ever recorded on a public road was 432.7 km per hour, set by Rudolph in a Mercedes-Benz W125 Rekordwagen on the German Autobahn in 1938. This record stood unchallenged for nearly 80 years until it was finally surpassed in 2017. Rabindranath Tagore's brother Satyendranath was the first Indian to clear PSC exams in 1863 and became first Indian IAS officer. Pair it right antidotes used in daily recipes. Sambar pumpkin. Chole hing plus jeera. Moong dal chila, soak with elaichi, coriander seeds, black peppercorn to reduce gas and acidity. Rajma, bloating, bay leaf, reduces gas forming nature. Thanks for watching.